Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us one more budget calling smartwatch from Noise, and it's the NoiseFit Agile 2 Buzz. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you how it performs. So here is the box. In the front we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model name, and it's a calling smartwatch. At the back we can see the color, which is a jet black, and here we have few key features such as 1.28-inch TFT display, SpO2 monitoring, Bluetooth calling, music control, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, and you get multiple sports modes. The companion app this time is the NoiseFit track, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. The MRP on the box is Rs 5,999, however, the launch price of this watch is just Rs 1,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the welcome card, and here we have the warranty information. And then we get these noise stickers. And after that, we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this is one of the few budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch which comes with a round dial. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, and here we have the magnetic charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. NoiseFit Agile 2 Buzz is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. In terms of the design and build quality, we get the round dial in this watch and the body is plastic. And that is the reason this watch is really lightweight. The straps are of average quality, but again, this is what we expect in this price segment. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.28-inch display which comes with the 500 nits brightness. Even though we have a smaller display, but because of the round dial, the viewing area is good. And this watch doesn't feel that small on the wrist. Now looking at the right side, we have two buttons. So the top is the menu button, and at the bottom, we have the quick app access button, which by default is workout. At the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. And here we have a mic, and again on the right side we have another mic. And then we have the speaker grill on the top above the sensors. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find the Agile 2 Buzz a very good smartwatch, keeping in mind the pricing. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here the watch is on, and for pairing, as mentioned earlier, we need the app NoiseFit track, and here just go to the add device section and select the watch from the list. And that's it, your smartwatch is now paired with your phone. Now let me show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And of course, you can add more from the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the raise to wake feature, settings, brightness, DND, and the torch. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history. And when you swipe left on the watch face, you will see the quick apps. And here we have the activity status, sleep data, heart rate, SpO2, and so on. You can access the main menu by the top button and the workouts from the bottom button. So here we have the main menu, and guys, the touch is quite responsive in this smartwatch, but there is minor lag and stutter here and there, but it's actually not that bad. Now about the menu, first we have the noise health, and here we have the heart rate. And about the data, it's quite accurate and the detection is fast. You don't get the false reading when you're not wearing the watch or when it's on the table. Similar performance we have seen with the SpO2 monitoring. And then we have the activity record, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And after that, we have the sleep, which will show you the last night's sleep details. And then we have the breath training, and with this, you can do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the workouts, and here in this smartwatch, we get 60 sports modes. After that in the menu, we have the sports records, which will show you the history of your workouts. And then we have the noise buzz, which has the calling feature. And here we have the recent calls, dial pad to make a new phone call, and the contacts which you can sync through the app. And about the performance, we will talk in a moment. And then in the menu we have the AI voice, which allows you to use Google Assistant or Siri hands-free. And then in the menu we have few games such as Young Bird, which is similar to the Flappy Bird. And then we have the hamster. But I'm not sure how many of you will play games on a smartwatch. For me, it's not that useful. And then in the menu we have the music control, and here you can control the music playing on your phone. After that we have the messages, which is the notification history. And then we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather conditions along with the weather forecast. After that we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, and the timer with some preset timers. After that we have the flashlight, find phone, and the remote camera shutter, which works with the camera feature in the companion app. And then finally we have the settings. In these settings, first we have the watch faces and the screen timeout settings. And then we have the DND, raise to wake feature, which works okay, but there is some delay in the response. And then we have the vibration and the brightness settings. And after that we have the system menu, and here we have the reset, power off and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in the watch. Now let's look at the companion app. So here we have the NoiseFit track, and on the home page we have the fitness data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. On the next page we have the device settings, and here we can see the connected device on the top along with the battery status. Below it we have the watch face market, and here in this watch you can use a custom watch face. And here we have the available cloud-based watch faces, and the collection is quite good. After that in the menu we have the notifications, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So you get the caller name along with the option to pick and reject the call. So we don't get the preset replies option in this smartwatch. And about the performance, it's like any other true wireless earphones, and the other person on the call will get some echo. But the speaker is loud and the call quality is very good. And now let me show you the app alert. So here we have the text alert, and as expected, we don't have the emoji and the preset reply support in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the alarm, shutter for remote camera control and the favorite contacts, which you can sync with the watch. And then we have the other settings, and here you can turn on the idle alert, continuous heart rate monitoring along with the quick view, which is a race to wake feature. You also get the drink water reminder and the elevated heart rate alert. And then finally we have the weather settings. So overall the NoiseFit Agile 2 Buzz is a very good budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. You're getting a round dial, which is difficult to find these days in budget segment, especially with the calling feature. The build quality is very good and the fitness data is also quite accurate. This watch looks good on the hand and the display performance is also decent. So in short, if you're looking for a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch with the round dial, then the NoiseFit Agile 2 Buzz is a very good option. And under Rs 2000, we think this smartwatch is value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the NoiseFit Agile 2 Buzz smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.